The Chatterbox is here with unbeaten heavyweight Dominic Trouble Breazeale. Did I say it right?
Brazil, yeah.
Brazil. I was so close. All right, you've got a fight coming up January 24th. What are you expecting out of your Texas opponent?
You know, I'm expecting a hard-notch guy. He's going to come. He's going to bring it in the past fights that I've seen of him. He's the aggressor in the ring. Loves to punch and loves to slug it out. So, I'm looking for hard 8 rounds of fighting, and may the best man win. I've definitely prepared for it. It's been about 10 weeks now of 6 days a week. 3 to 4 times sparring a day. I'm sparring guys like Gerald Washington, Dion Leon, and I'm definitely prepared for it. I'm in better shape than I am now than my last fight in November. And what better way to start 2014 with a knockout?
And also, you're 6'7", you're a former football player, basketball player, Olympian. Is boxing, where does that lead you? Is it harder than the other sports? Is it easier to transition?
The transition from football to boxing was tough, but from just an amateur boxer to an Olympic boxer was night and day. There was another world class that I had to do to, and even so much more from Olympic boxing to professional boxing. I'm always trying to achieve and just get better day by day. As long as I'm getting better today than I was yesterday, then I'm proving my point. But as a professional, you just want to get better every day, day in, day out, every round, every second. And I'm doing that thus far. 8-0, 8 knockouts, and working on my 9th.
I know your coach, John Bray, has mentioned each fight he's seen a major improvement with you. So right now you're 8-0, 8 knockouts. Any dream opponents? Chris Arreola, Tyson Fury, Deontay Wilder?
I'm not gonna lie. If it comes across the table, I'm gonna take it. Right now, I feel like I'm one of the best in the world. And Tyson Fury, Deontay Wilder, Arreola, any of those guys are up there top notch. Are willing to give me a shot. I'm definitely gonna take it. I'm prepared for it. I go 12 to 15 rounds sparring every day, so there's no reason why I wouldn't be in shape for it. Skill-wise, I'm up there with the elite. I'm a 2012 U.S. Olympian and just getting better day by day.
Okay, and on a personal note, you and your wife Christine are the proud parents of 3 boys, age 5, 2, and 7 months?
7 months, correct.
So what if one of them wanted to become a boxer?
I'm going to support her. First off, I got to thank my wife. She's been a huge support. She's like you said, 5 years old, 5 years old, 2 years old, and 7 months, all boys. And I call them a sleepless night crew. They'll continue to go by that. So I got to thank her for all her support. But if any of my sons want to join the boxing world, I'm going to support them 100%. Right now, I don't think it's very smart that they take any kind of punches or blows to the head. I'm kind of going to wait on that, but I'm definitely going to take them technique-wise and get them skillfully rounded. Hopefully my trainer John Bray will help me out with some things like that. It's one thing being in the ring and being an active fighter. It's another thing teaching outside of the ring and kind of growing your kid from step 1 to the finish line. So, a huge supporter in anything they do.
Thank you, Dominic Breazeale. Good luck in your fight, your upcoming January 24th, and good luck in your career too.
Thank you very much.